Just wanted to show it off again. Again, 55 Pontiac Safari. I love that lit up Indian made into the airplane. What a ride. Let's check out this Safari, Pontiac Safari.
This is very unusual.
Yes, I know everyone goes nuts over the Nomads, but I like the Pontiac version. A little extra kick under the hood.
That's good. That's good. Whoa.
Oh, that's sounding good.
No, don't go back into the tent. Maybe hit the boat on that side. There you go, that's good, that's good.
Come on, girl. There we go. I love that. Details here are just fantastic. Always get to see the Chevy version, but how often do you get to see the Pontiac version? And you have the sun so you can get a better shot. There we go.
Everybody good work.
On the other side so I can show you a couple of the details. Nice little retro. Alright. Frame-off restoration, original sheet metal, rebuilt 389 tri-power. The original 287 comes with the car. Front disc brakes, power wipers, power steering. I've got to open up this door because this I've got to show you. I just love that start sheath. Just beautiful. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Fall Carlisle Collector's Car Auction. Checking out this 55 Pontiac Safari. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.